If you asked me when I was studying marine biology where my dream job would be, I would have said on an island, on a coral reef. So this is pretty much the best place where I can be. My name is Rosalie and I'm the marine educator here at Coco. So I have a background in marine biology and I've been working since I graduated in 2020. I have experience working in Kenya, Egypt and now here in the Maldives. For my job, every day is different, every week is different, but one thing is guaranteed is that I will be in the water at some point every single day. Whether it's joining our snorkeling trips or exploring our island and taking our guests to explore our wildlife. Some of the collaborations we have with local organisations are to help collect research data on our sea turtles, our manta rays and also our coral projects as well. We have a coral garden on the island which is located in front of Villa 68 and this is where we are developing and trying to increase our coral diversity on the island. So we take pieces of naturally broken coral and we attach them to artificial frames which are made here on the island to help to give the corals a second chance. We recently started a collaboration with the University of Milan Bicocca and now we have marine interns coming to do research projects on our coral reef and our coral gardens. My favourite part of the job has to be the turtle nesting because we can involve so many people, everyone is interested in it, from the laying, from the hatching. We have a nest camera so we can monitor the nest throughout the 60 days where they develop. At any time of the night they can begin to hatch from the nest, so any notification from the app, we all wake up and we are ready to check the nest. We also involve the guests in this process and it's a great way to share the conservation that we do and how we can help with the nesting that we have here on the island as well. Definitely the biggest challenge is the uncertainty. Every year the weather is changing, becoming more and more unpredictable. Especially in 2016 there was a mass bleaching event in the Indian Ocean, especially here in the Maldives. And this year we are expecting to have a similar event as well. So we don't know when we will start to see bleaching, but it is predicted that in the next few months until next year that we might start to see some changes on our reef. Of course we will do everything we can to try and protect the corals that we have and to protect our coral garden at the nursery sites. But some advice would be to spread awareness. When our guests go home they can tell everyone about the work that they've seen here, about all of the efforts that we're doing, and then to hopefully go on and support more sustainable companies in the future. In the next 25 years, I hope that a lot of things will stay the same, that we have a magical seagrass meadows with amazing rare wildlife that we see here. I hope that our turtle nesting will continue to increase year by year. This year alone we had 3 different species of turtles that nested here, which is incredibly rare. And I hope to see our coral restoration site grow exponentially. Coco is a little magical island. You never know what you will see when you go out and you explore. Every snorkel will be different, even if you go to the same place every time. You never know what animal will pop up or what experience you will find. We have lots of different turtles. We have 2 species that we can see on the island. We have the green sea turtle in the seagrass, and we also have the hawksbills that we can see on the seagrass and on the coral reef as well. So we definitely have a lot. The most I've seen in one snorkel was 12. I think my favourite moments have been with my favourite animal, the ornate eagle ray. So this species of ray is actually very rare and it's not been seen that many times in the Maldives, but I've been lucky enough to see it 3 times in 2 years on this island. My free time on the island, I can spend it with friends enjoying the sunset or snorkeling some more after work. But I also love music, and I have my instruments with me in my room. Violin and piano.